How to convert business account to personal account on Pinterest. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Pinterest app. After that, make sure you are logged in with your account. In order to check whether you are logged in with your account, you have to tap on your profile icon, which is in the right lower corner. So if you are logged in, then you'll be able to see this interface. If you are not, then you can simply log in. After that, you have to tap on the three-dotted horizontal line, which is in the right upper corner. So from here, you have to tap on settings. So here you'll be able to see the account management option, so you have to go through it. So here you'll be able to see convert to personal account option. Since your account is already in business account, you have to tap on convert to personal account option. And here you will be able to see the convert to personal option, which is in the red color. So by following this simple step, you can convert your business account to personal account on Pinterest. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.